Welcome back. So in this video, you will learn how you can send a new Slack message to your team automatically whenever you add a new timesheet entry in Harvest application. So guys, here we are going to do this with the help of this automation. Here we are using Harvest as our trigger application, which is a time tracking application, guys. And here, whenever you got a new timesheet entry, the details of that entry will be delivered as a message to your team present on Slack automatically. So Slack is our action application. Okay. And guys, you can set up this automation and save your time without any coding skills very easily. So let me show you how. So first of all, you need to reach this website, guys, pabbly.com/connect. We have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on the sign up free button, and you will get free automation tasks to set up and test your automation. Okay, so sign up right now, and then you have to log in and select this Pabbly Connect product to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay. And here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as Harvest to Slack automation. Okay. So after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And here is the trigger and action, guys. So in this trigger, we are going to connect Harvest, and the actions tab, we are going to connect Slack. So here you can see you have this choose app field. So from here, you can search for Harvest. Okay, select it. And here you can read it is saying when this happens. This means whenever any event is going to happen, that is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the actions tab will make Pabbly Connect and perform any action. So it is saying do this. All right. So here, first of all, in the trigger event, I'm going to select new timesheet entry as the trigger event. So here you can read it is showing every 10 minutes. So this trigger will check for new data entry in Harvest application in every 10 minutes. And if it finds any new entry in the timesheet, that is going to trigger this workflow, and the details of that timesheet will be sent to your team on Slack. So Slack is our action application. So search for Slack here. Okay, this is Slack selected. So first of all, let's set up our trigger. So we have selected the application and the trigger event. Now click on connect, and from here select add new connection option, and here it is asking for the API token or key of Harvest application and the Harvest account ID. So you will find both of these things from this link. It is written here to go to the developer section of getharvest.com, where you'll find this key and the account ID. So here in this token field, first of all, you have to put a prefix, which is this bearer word. So just copy this bearer word from here and put it here as the prefix. Okay, now let me click on this link. So this is the developer section of Harvest, and here you can see this personal access token option is here. From here you can create a new token by clicking on this create new access token button. Here you can give a name to this token also. So I'm giving the name as this, and now click on create personal token, and this is the token that we want. So you can just copy this token from here, paste it here after bearer like this. Okay, and you will find the Harvest account ID here. This is the account ID. Just copy this. Okay, and paste it here in this account ID field. Right, now click on save, and you will be connected with Harvest like this. Okay, it is showing connected. Now guys, as you are going to click on save and send test request, the recent timesheet data entry will be captured here as the test data. Let me show you first my timesheet. Guys, this is Harvest application. Okay, and here you can see this is today's date, Tuesday, 16th of August, and these are we have two timesheet entries already here for example project, example client. This is the task's name, and this is the time you can see here. So here you can track the time you are working on, you are spending on any project of any client. Okay, so you just have to click here on this track time button. Here you can select the project's name and the client's name. Okay, here you can select the category of your task, programming, design, or any kind of task like that. So I'm selecting programming here. Here you can put some notes also. So I'm just showing you the demo. So here I'm putting new demo task as the notes. Okay, and guys, here you can put manually the time which you have spent on this task, or you can just click on the start timer and the timer will start, and you can start doing the work after starting the timer. And as you end the task, as you complete the task, you can stop the timer as well, and the time will be recorded. So let's say we are manually putting the time here. Let's say you have put an hour to this work. Okay, so I'm putting here 1. Okay, so I have put here 1 hour. Okay, now click on save entry, and you can see the entry is saved here. It is showing the project name, the task name, and the notes, and the time spent on this task is here. Okay, now let's capture the details of this new timesheet entry. I'm clicking on save and send test request here in the workflow, and here you can see we got the data captured this like this. Okay, here it is showing the date of the task, the hours spent, okay, the notes, the creation date of the timer and the task. This is the username, this is the client's name, this is the project's name, this is the task name, everything you got here as the test data, right? So now we are going to move further, and in this actions tab, what I want to send a Slack message to my team. So in the action event, select this send channel message option. Okay, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Slack. Here it is asking for the token type. So we have these two token types here to make the connection with Slack, user and the bot. So for each token you have different kind of permissions to access Slack. So you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page, and here you can find out the type of permission you will get when you select user or bot as the token type. So when you select user, you will get following permissions. When you select bot, you will get following permissions. So here I am selecting user for now. Okay, so you can just copy this user and paste it here, and then click on save. All right, and that will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. But as I have already logged in Slack, it is just asking for giving the access to Pabbly Connect. So you just have to click on allow from here, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected with Slack. So in Slack we have many channels, the text channels, and here I am discussing, I am having this channel, you can see Pabbly team. Okay, here my team is under discussion. Okay, so I want to send a message to this channel to update my team about the timesheet. Okay, for that, first of all, you have to select your channel's name from this channels list. So it will show you all the channels. From here, search for your channel's name. Pabbly team is mine. Here you can type a standard message for your team. So I am typing a message here. So guys, I have typed this message for my team. You can see, hello team, we got a new entry in our timesheet for, and here guys, I'm going to use the test data that I have received in the first step, and I'm going to map the details that I have received from the timesheet in our message. Okay, so here you can see in the message we got a new entry in our timesheet for. So here you can map the project's name from the previous step. So when you click here guys, it will show you the harvest step, the trigger step, and the drop down. When you click here, it will show you all the data that you have received from the first step. So from here I'm mapping the project's name label. Okay, you can see it got mapped here, and also the date of work, you will find the date of work here like this, map it, time spent, you will find the time spent label here. This is it. You can see you can map the hours label, and here you can map the client's name as well from the first step only. The client name label is here, map it, and you can also map the notes. This is the notes. Okay, so guys, when you map the labels here in the message, what will happen after setting up this automation in real time? Whenever you got a new timesheet entry in Harvest application, these labels are going to be updated in the message, and a new message will be delivered to your team with the new data of the timesheet. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map the details here like this. Okay, now you can check your connection with Slack by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button. A new message will be delivered to your team here like this. Okay, let me show you. Here I am clicking on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, this is the response we have received. Let's check in Slack if we got a new message. And here you can see we got a new message as this. Hello team, we got a new time entry in our timesheet. For example, project, and the details of the timesheet entry are as follows. And here you can see the date is 16, time spent in hours is 1, client's name, notes, and this is the same details actually I have mapped here. You can see. Okay, these are the same details we have received in a message like this. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, as and when you are going to add a new timesheet entry in Harvest application, your team is going to receive such kind of update messages automatically. And guys, you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.